Intellectuals from all parts of the federally administered tribal areas of Pakistan bordering Afghanistan have gathered at Press Club in the northwest Pakistan's capital city, Peshawar. They launched a joint intertribal campaign to call for an end to the worsening situation which they say has been created by the US drone strikes and the ongoing military offensive in their region.
The Mutahida Kabail Party
This is the first political step in FATA that we have taken towards improving the law and order situation there, obtaining basic human rights and uplifting of our tribal people.
For this purpose, they announced the launching of Mutahida Kabail Party, a united tribal party in the FATA to restore lasting peace and bring calm to the tribal areas.
US-sponsored drone attacks which have killed more civilians than that Al-Qaeda-linked militants. And there is also a problem being faced by the FATA people because those donor agencies, those government funds which have been allocated for them, that do not go directly to those people.
United States has so far carried out hundreds of drone strikes against the alleged Al-Qaeda-linked militants believed to be hiding in the tribal areas of Pakistan. And these attacks have so far killed at least 1,400 people, mostly women and children. As the drone strikes continue to kill innocent civilians and rank-and-file Pakistani Taliban instead of the leaders, many Muslims have been infuriated across the country. Now many fear that the blowback effect of the program would make many people join Pakistani Taliban. Besides that, military offensive against the militants have forced millions of tribal people to flee their homes.
Things are getting from bad to worse because the government is using brutal force. Our demand is simple. We want peace and prosperity of our people in FATA.
Representatives from the 7 tribal agencies of northwest Pakistan unanimously blame their elected lawmakers for turning a deaf ear to their miseries. Participants at the gathering were of the view that after 9/11, billions of dollars have been spent under the name of FATA uplift. However, hardly 1% of that is spent on the development of tribal people. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.